Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Swipe down and tap the gear icon to open settings on your Poco M6 Pro 5G. Use 2 fingers or 1 finger with an upward swipe to reveal quick settings. Tap the small gear to launch the full Settings app and access system controls. Scroll down within Settings until you find Display listed among options for sound and battery. Tap Display to open Brightness, Wallpaper, and Screen Timeout controls. Screen Timeout may default to 30 seconds on first setup and can be changed easily. In Display Settings, tap Sleep or Screen Timeout to view preset durations. The menu shows options such as 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 5 minutes, and 30 minutes. Tap the option you prefer to increase how long the screen stays on after an activity. For example, choose 5 minutes to avoid frequent screen locking during short tasks. Confirm your selection by exiting Settings or pressing back once. The phone will keep the screen on longer based on your chosen duration. Longer screen timeouts increase battery use, so balance convenience and power consumption. If you plan to use 10 minutes or 30 minutes frequently, expect a noticeable impact on battery life. Enable adaptive battery or automatic brightness to help mitigate extra drain from long timeouts. Some apps can override timeout settings and keep the display awake during activity. To stop app overrides, check app settings or revoke special permissions for system wake locks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.